Join my free basic WordPress course. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Azan from Learn with Azan here, and I have got some exciting news to share with you today. Are you looking to up your game in the digital world? Do you want to create your own stunning website but don't know where to start? Well, look no further because I've got you covered. That's right. I'll be launching a free basic WordPress course and I want you to part of it. In the course, I'll be covering all the essentials you need to know how to get started with WordPress, from setting up your website to customizing theme and plugin. I'll walk through everything step by step. So how can you join the amazing opportunity? It's simple. Just drop a hi in the comments below. I'll make sure you get the link of my group. I'm here to support you every step of the way. So don't hesitate to reach out with any question. Together, we will unleash your creativity and bring your online vision to life. If you are ready to dive into the world of WordPress with me, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss out of any amazing content coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I can't wait to embark on WordPress journey with all of you. Remember, the first step of success is just a highway. Let's do it together.